Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. So who is Lord Buddha Kuan Yin? Lord Buddha Kuan Yin is a deity who is the feminine aspect of Lord Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara. She is a mother, a deity of mercy and compassion. She has taken a vow to dedicate all her lifetimes to the upliftment of all humankind. She continues to reincarnate and return to the world. And she is like a mother, particularly that kind of a mother who is always protecting her children. She doesn't question her child's integrity, even going so far as to rescue her sons and daughters from prison. So she is one person who does not judge you whether you are right or you are wrong. She comes to you whenever we call her. So today's session I would cite few examples where we can call her and we can get protection from Lord Buddha Kuan Yin, who is a Bodhisattva. So she's originated in India and later on it went to China and then Vietnam and Thailand and so on. So she is known as Asian deity, Asian Buddha Bodhisattva, feminine aspect of a Bodhisattva. So where can we use the powers of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin? First, protection from dangers of fire. So if there are people who wish to harm you by pushing you into great pit of inferno, that is fire, then think of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin and call for her, and she will transform the inferno pit into a water pool. Now in life, we suffer from anger issues. There are people who project anger on us, and we also get angry in life. So what we can do in these times? We can call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. We can ask for mercy and compassion. And she can change our anger into peace and calmness. So this is a thought form that she can change. Otherwise, if you are suffering from if you are in jungle and there's a fire, then also you can call, and then it's up to her how she comes, how she rescues you, because she has the power to rescue the humankind. Then the second, you can call for her when you are suffering from dangers of water. If you are drifting in a great ocean and facing imminent dangers with dragons, fishes, demons, think of power of Bodhisattva, Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. Call for her. So what will happen? The waves will take you to shores, and those animals, sea animals, would not be able to harm you, and she will come to save you. Now in our life, what is water? Water is our emotional thing. Whenever we are suffering from emotional issues in life, whenever we are suffering from depression, we can call for her. She will come to rescue us. She will fill us with lot of soothing, compassionate energies, and we would be able to deal with our emotional aspect. Then thirdly, we can call Lord Buddha Kuan Yin when we are fearful of falling from somewhere. So if you are at the summit of a Mount Sumeru and someone pushes you off the edge, think of power of Lord Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara or Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. You will be suspended in midair like the sun in the sky. So if you are facing a problem where you feel that somebody has pushed you and you have fallen off the cliff, we can call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin, and she will save us. She will put us somewhere that we would not fall and we will not get hurt. And what happens in life? If we feel people surrounding us are putting us into things where we cannot come out of those situations, we are put into a situation where we feel that we are falling, we are failing also, we can call for Lord Bodhisattva. She will come and she will save us. The fourth part is whenever you have dangers from politics. If you're suffering from punishment of government and your life is about to end by execution, think of the power of Lord Bodhisattva. Think of the power of, call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. She will come and she will tear the entire prison by the sword. So what happens in life? We do face challenges with the government agencies sometimes. We have some issues, some files that are stuck in government offices. We can call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. She will come and she will rescue us from those problems. Fifthly, she can save us from prison. If you're being locked up in a prison and your hands and feet are being bound by chains, think of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. She will come and she will release you or free you. Now in life, what happens? Sometimes we feel chained. We feel suffocated. We feel that people are really suffocating us, empowering on us, and we feel very prisoned kind of a situation. We can call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. She will come. She will rescue us. She will put us into a free sky where we can breathe properly. Sixth aspect is she can deliver us from curses or poisons. So if there are people who wish to harm you by curses or poisonous herbs, think of power of Lord Bodhisattva. Call for Buddha Kuan Yin. The effects will be bounced back to the person who had sent those energies to us. So in life, what happened? There are poisonous situations where we feel people are planning, plotting against us and trying to harm us through their planning, plotting. So what we can do? We can call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin and she will come and safeguard us. Then deliverance from demons. If you face harm from vicious Rakshasas, poisonous dragons or various demons, think of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin and she will come and then she will make sure no one will dare to harm us. So sometimes in life when we feel that there are people who are like demons, who are trying to spoil our image, who are trying to harm us, or maybe we are in jungle and we face these ferocious animals or something like that, we can call Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. She will come and rescue us. Then she can protect us from evil beasts. So here again, those animals, if we are surrounded by animals or we are surrounded by sharp edges or claws of wild beasts, call for Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. She will come. She will quickly come, flee and scamper away all those animals into different directions and we would be saved. So in our real life, these can be those people who are like beasts, who are ready to harm us. So she can protect us. Then protection during disputes or war. So if you have disputes before the court or you are fearful in the midst of war, think of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. All your enemies would be destroyed by her power. So sometimes in life we face situations where there is a dispute amongst family, amongst relationships, or maybe among partners, business partners. We can call for her. She will help us resolve all the issues and we would be victorious. Then this is the best thing that can happen by Lord Buddha Kuan Yin's blessings, that is bestow children of good fortune. If there are women who wish to give birth to a son, they should worship by giving offerings to Bodhisattva, who will bestow them with a son who has good fortune, virtues and wisdom. If they wish to have a daughter, they will have a beautiful and adorable daughter blessed with accumulated benevolent roots and love and peace and compassion of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin. So, Lord Buddha Kuan Yin has the power to bless all the pregnant women. First, the women who are wanting to conceive, they can also pray to her and they can easily have a baby And secondly, the women who are already pregnant, they can seek the blessings of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin, so their child would be born with good fortune and they would be very happy. So these were the 10 areas where we can seek blessings of Lord Buddha Kuan Yin and we can resolve all our problems. So we all can call for her, pray to her, and she's such a deity that we don't have to do any kind of offering or any kind of ritual. We just have to call her from our heart. Just we have to call her and she comes to help us. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe and like my channel so that you can be intimidated by more upcoming videos, upcoming voice notes. Atma Namaste everyone.